Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is clearly working on this wave 4. That was already assumed yesterday. We talked about it in yesterday's video. I even gave you a small target zone here in yesterday's video, which was reached. I've taken it off the chart in the meantime because it was reached. So here A, B, just see roughly. And it was the area all the way down to the 1.618 extension. And that was down to around about 41.5 cents. Starting at the 100% extension, so between 43 cents and 41.3, the price has reached it. That is generally a Fibonacci target area for a C wave. So remember, we highlighted possibly this third wave rally completed here on Tuesday after the price might have bottomed on the 5th of July. We have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This could now be the wave 4. Which should be an ABC structure, and we had a C wave target. So I find it more likely, however, and I posted that as an alternative yesterday, but I think this is what's going on. I mean, unless the price tells me we are already in the 5th wave, I would first watch for a larger 4th wave. Also looking at what Bitcoin is doing, and I have a hard time believing that this correction already is sufficient to complete the entire rally in wave 3. And also normally we say an ideal target for a 4th wave is the 38.2 retracement. That's at 40.1 cents. We haven't even reached it. Okay, it's the overall orange support zone which is relevant, but most of the time you would see a 4th wave get to the 38.2 fib level, maybe a little lower. So again, the levels are more important than the wave count. But the wave count can give us an additional edge. At the moment, the idea is that an ABC structure here is complete or nearly complete. I mean, you can never rule out like one more low or something, but I can already see a 5-wave move down in wave C of what would be an A wave. And then I have added the standard resistance area for a B wave. The main B wave can sometimes overshoot. I mean, this one already did on Wednesday. Yeah, I added just all the fib levels which are relevant. So resistance starts at 43.3 cents. Then we've got 43.8, 44.4, and 44.8, and so on. Let's first see if we can get there. I think there is, it is plausible, it's reasonable to watch for a B wave bounce from this region, and maybe something more bullish. I'm looking for either a B wave bounce or the start of wave 5. But if you ask me, I'm leaning towards a more extended ABC structure in wave 4, which could actually unfold over the weekend. And then as long as we're holding the orange support zone, which is defined between 42 cents, which would be a shallow wave 4, and 37.2 cents, which is a deep wave 4. As long as this holds, we can watch for higher prices in wave 5. And I don't say we need to test 37.2. I'm not even saying we need to test 38.6 cents. No, I mean, it would be absolutely okay to finish here, but I would need to see evidence for it. And I know cryptos love to very often form more protracted and extended wave 4s. But yeah, you know, the levels are where they need to be. As long as they're holding, one more high in wave 5 can happen. Where should it take us? I mean, if the 5th wave really unfolds, it will be a challenge to determine if it's a high B wave or the end of the 5th. So if we use Fibonacci tools, it's going to be extended anyway because the 3rd wave got pretty extended. But, you know, it reached a 200% extension here, that last top on Wednesday. So we're probably looking at the 2.382 extension to the 2.618 for wave 5, so 48.8 to 50 cents. There's also a trend line up here which could act as additional resistance if this 5th wave is unfolding. Yeah, the B wave could easily extend all the way to 46.8 cents. Anything above that would be more clearly wave 5. And you can see this trend line here. So that would be my take, that the 5th wave gets up there into the 50 cent area, low 50 cent area, high 40 cent area. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.